Poo-poo.
I like the smell of that, Angel. What do you think, Leo, smell?
It smells like poo-poo.
Oh, you're so cheeky.
Guys, today it's Angel here, not my beautiful brother. We've been to the shopping today and look what I've got. And these are brand new. Okay, so let's get started opening. First I want to open this and it's series 3. I've got a Hawaiian girl. I love squishies. It's a Hawaiian one. Now let's open our second toy. It's a picnic pop. Here it is. I like them because they're smelly.
What do they smell of?
Sweet things. This one smells like bubblegum. Smell. Poo-poo.
I like the smell of that, Angel. What do you think, Leo, smell?
It smells like poo-poo.
Oh, you're so cheeky. Let's give it back to Angel now.
Remember, I need some cold water with ice cubes in, Daddy, for my pet and my LOL doll.
Okay, I'll go get some.
Video. No. Yes. I'm not doing enough. I don't like anywhere where I go. I like bombs. It's dangerous. That's good boring.
Leo, what toys did you get today?
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen. Yeah, we love Lightning McQueen, don't we, Lily? Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
What?
Oh, you open it.
Who's this name?
What's his name? It's the fire engine.
Who's this fire engine name of Lightning McQueen?
I don't know his name. Should we have a look? Let's have a look, see if he's got a name. Wow, that's so cool.
What's his name, Daddy?
Pardon?
What's his name?
Tiny Lugsworth. Oh.
Look what I've got. I've got a decent up.
What you got, Angel?
Decent up.
Cool.
My card is better than your poo-poo card. Not a chance.
Not a chance. Leo.
You stupid woman. Lightning McQueen is better than LOL goals. You think that? LOLs are better. No. Lightning McQueen's cards are better.
Leo, can I just ask you something? Can you just stop? Will you just look at me? Who put water in my wellies?
Me.
You are too cheeky.
I'm just naming the Lightning McQueen cards right now. Can you get it back?
Uh-oh. Wipe out. Oh, I know. It's because it's on that cloth watch. Oh, ready? Oh, ready? Ready? Let go of it now. Let go. Oh, no! Oh, it stopped.
Your card is rubbish.
Angel, did you hear what he just said?
Yeah. Your
What?
card is rubbish.
What do you think?
Me, Pooh. Your card that was our muppet card. No, my toys are better than yours. Your cards are so jucării. And I have the person for this as well. Person for this.
What is that?
Genie Bunny.
Genie Bunny. That looks cool. Leo, why don't you like LOL dolls?
They're rubbish.
No, Angel, we love LOL dolls.
This doesn't fit you, I think.
Oh.
I think it fits you.
Yeah. Daddy's only got a little... Ow! Ow! Leo! Ah! Ah! It's on! Ah! What do you think?
Daddy, look at her bottle. That's rubbish, that bottle.
Why is it? Why is that bottle rubbish?
Lightning McQueen's rubbish. You're so rubbish. You're rubbish lady. I've got a good scooper.
No, when Tiana, Angel, Leo, look at Daddy.
Yeah.
When Tiana makes a video, do you think they're, she plays around like this?
Yes.
Tiana's dad, if you're watching this, and I'm sure you're not, leave a comment and let us know if your kids just run riot. Like my little monsters. My little monsters!
Okay, let's see what I've got. It's little Boxy. Little Boxy. And all of the little sisters' colour change. These can be friends. But I think this one colour changed because the eyes are like slightly pink. So I think it's the person colour change.
What do you think they'll colour change into, Angel?
I think it should be colour changing into pink and then a tail as well. Look at this little bag. And it's got frills all over it and it's got 2 ties. And the baby is going in it. Okay, now I'm opening the accessory. I love this bag. What? This is so weird. I got 1 shoe. How weird is that, Daddy? 1 shoe, that's it. No. Or did it fly into the floor?
Has it gone onto the floor?
No. I got 1 shoe.
That's strange, isn't it?
They're really hard to open, so I need my teeth. Okay, so I'm going to see of little foxes. A rare, a common, an ultra rare. I'm looking at the checklist. And she is a common.
Common.
Common. We're ready to dive in. She colour changes. Look, Leah, she colour changes. It's colour food. Look at that. Colour food. Look, she's hair. Her hair is. And she does have makeup on. And look at the back. It has colour changing hair. She has makeup on. She has a top. She has a top on. She has stars on. She has stars there. And she has a colour change. Let's see what she does. She's spitting. Oh, let's see what this one is. Oh, she has a headband. Her dome is turned to purple. And she has a blue nappy. Leave me in the comment down below which other words you've got. And tell me if the colour change or not. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like our next video.